The first I would like to say hello teacher and hello everyone. Uh, my name is Rayan. Today I'm reading about the topic to the two palm trees. Once upon a time in the small village near Siem Reap, there were two palm trees growing side by side. The first palm tree was tall and proud. Every day it looked down on the second tree and said, I am stronger and more beautiful than you. The people will only take my fruit. The second palm tree was small and quiet. I did not reply or choose. I chose kept growing slowly and sharing chat with the children who played under it. One year a big storm came. The wind blew every hat. I ran field for many days. The tall palm trees tripped. The fight, the wind, it stood uh, sti- stood still and broke. But soon it broke and fell to the ground. The small palm trees bent with the wind. Its mouth it stayed, and when the storm ended, uh, it was still standing when the villagers come out after the storm. They say that the big palm tree had fallen, but the small one was still alive. They took care of the site. This little palm tree with it strong because it know how the wind. From that day, the small palm trees grows taller, and everyone in the village loved it.